Now, if your investment is paying you around 12, 15 or probably 16% per annum, then I must tell you that you are doing it the wrong way. I'm going to show you a particular platform that is very secured. And when I say secured, I mean it is secured by SEC. So it is secured. Okay, so this platform is going to pay you around 20 to 23% per annum. Now you are going to be feeling interested because the investment you probably might be doing so far is paying you 12, 15 or 16%, and I'm promising you, am I promising you? Yeah, I'm promising you that this platform that I'm going to introduce you in today's video is going to pay 20 to 23%. I'm not asking you to pay me for this information I'm about to pass to you in today's video. The only thing I'm asking you to do for me is to go ahead and click the like button of this video in exchange of the value you're about to get in today's video. And I personally want you to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button. Yes, go ahead and smash that subscription button. But hey, after smashing the subscription button, please do not forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. What the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we upload informative video just like this one you are watching. Now I believe you've clicked the like button. I believe you've joined the family by clicking on that subscription button. Now let's get started. So towards the end of this video, I'm going to reveal the name of the platform that we are going to be making use of in today's video. Okay, so the only thing I need you to do right now is just to sit tight and watch me take you step by step on how you can get started in this platform. Click the like button and let's get into the video. Once you are done with the registration of this particular platform, right? So this is the interface you are going to see. So I would want you to click here as fast as possible. I wouldn't want this video to take time. Down here that is written invest. Okay, so let's click on invest. So once you click on invest, this is definitely the interface you are going to see. Now what I want you to do is to click over here that says NGN plans, right? So click on MGM plans, and once you click on MGM plans, the next place I want you to click on is here that wrote Naira votes low risk. Yes, of course it's low risk. So let's click on that, and boom, this is the interface you are going to see. So I'm going to take us through this interface, like every single thing you are seeing on this interface, one after the other. So let's quickly read what is written here. So it says save and earn monthly with the Naira vote. Earn up to 23%, just like I said from the beginning of the video. If you are earning up to, let me say 15%, 16% per annum, then you are definitely doing it wrong, because this video is going to show you how you can earn up to 23%, right? Yes, per annum. So it says it earn up to 23% interest yearly on your Naira savings. So when you look over here, you will see the certain amount of money you are going to have and a certain percentage you are going to be getting for that particular amount you are going to be investing or saving with this particular platform. So it says over here that less than 500,000 you are going to get 15% per annum. Can you see? If you are giving them your 500,000 naira, what they are going to be paying you per annum for that particular amount less than that 500,000 is around 15%. Now the next one says 500,000 to 999,999 naira, you are going to be getting 15% per annum. Now how cool is that? Sorry, 18% per annum. Yeah, for 500,000 to 999,999 naira, you are going to be getting 18% per annum. Now the next one is saying if you can give them the sum of 1 million to 4,999,999 naira, they are going to be paying you a whooping 20% per annum. Now how cool is that? If you have gotten to this point, go ahead and click the like button. If you're yet to join this family, go ahead and click on that subscription button. Let's proceed, guys. So if you're giving them 1 million to 4,999,000 naira 99 naira, they are going to be paying you the sum of they are going to be paying you 20% per annum. Now this is the amount you are going to have for you to get around 23% per annum. Now if you are going to give them the sum of 5 million and above, you are going to be getting 23% per annum. You see how cool this is. Now remember, the money they are going to be paying you, right, at the end of the year, the profit you are going to be getting at the end of the year, they are definitely going to take what is called 10% withholding tax. So if you gave them, let's say, the sum of 5 million, and you are going to be getting, let's say, around 1 million plus, they are going to remove 10% withholding tax. So let's do a quick calculation. So let's say you are going to be giving them the sum of 5 million naira. Okay, let's use 5 million naira for the sake of this video. So if you're giving them 5 million naira, that means they are going to be paying you or giving you 23% at the end of the year, right? So 23% of 5 million. So let's know how much we are going to be getting. So we are going to be getting the sum of 1,150,000 as our profit. Okay. So out of this 1,150,000, they are going to be removing 10%. Okay, withholding tax. So let's remove the 10% withholding tax so that we can know the final profit or amount we are going to be getting into our bank account or into our pocket at the end of the day, right? So we're going to do 10% of 1,150,000 is 115,000, right? So we're going to minus it from the total money, which is 1,150,000. Okay, 1,150,000. So we'll know how much we'll be getting. So this is how much we are going to be getting after the 10% withholding tax has been removed. So the total profit we are going to be getting at the end of the year is going to be 1,035,000 naira. Now, how cool is that? So let's move over to the platform so I can show you exactly how this work. So how do I show you how it works? So we're going to be clicking here so we can see in details how it works. So let's click on how it works. So the first one here is saying that you have to create a vote with duration ranging from 1 month and up to 5 years. So you can do from 1 month. 1 month is the minimum, then you can go as far as 5 years. And the second one is saying funds locked are deployed into money market fund, bonds, and institutional credit assets. So they are letting you know what they are going to be using your money to do, or how they are going to be making the money that they will be using to pay you or to give you profit for your investment or for the money you give them. Okay. Now the next one is saying returns are paid out to your Naira wallet monthly. So each month they are going to be paying your returns in your Naira wallet each month. Okay, so let's say what you are going to be getting if we are to give them the sum of 5 million is 1,035,000 naira. So what they are going to be doing is we're going to divide the 1,035,000 by 12. So that is how to know how much we are going to be getting. So let's do it 1,035,000. So we are going to divide it by 12 so we can know how much we'll be expecting in our Naira wallet every single month. So this is exactly how much we are going to be expecting in our Naira wallet every single month. So when you multiply this which is 86,250 naira. So when you multiply it by 12, this is the total amount we are going to be getting. So let's move over to the platform again. So it says returns are paid out to your Naira wallet monthly. Now the next one is saying when your vote matures, your vote deposit and remaining interest is paid out to your Naira wallet. So at the end of the year, the last month, they are going to pay you back your capital. Remember, we are making use of 5 million naira for the purpose of for the sake of this video. So at the last month, they are going to pay you back both your capital and as well as the last interest. So that is how it works. So now the last one is now saying you can top up your votes anytime. Top ups earn interest based on the duration left in the vote. So even though you've given them the sum of 5 million naira, if you still want to increase, you can go ahead and increase. But once you increase, they are going to be calculating your interest, the increased amount. They are going to be calculating the interest of that increased amount based on when you did that top up. If you are understanding what I'm saying, or if you have gotten to this point, click the like button, comment growth in the comment section. If you're yet to join this beautiful family, go ahead and click that subscription button. So let's move over to how you can proceed with the investment. So what we're going to do is to click here that says start investing. So let's click on start investing, and boom, this is the interface you're going to see. So what we're going to do is to type in the amount we want to invest into this box. So let's say we want to invest the sum of 5 million into this place. So we've typed 5 million. The next thing we are going to do is to click over here, because this is currently on month and we want to do it for 1 year, right? Yeah, so let's click on 1 year. So once we click on 1 year, the next thing we are going to do is over here, we're going to take this, make sure it's on 1 year. Okay, so boom, it's on 1 year. So what we are going to be getting at the end of the 1 year is 23%, and the total amount we are going to be getting as profit at the end of the 1 year is over here, which is 1,150,000. Okay, so if we are okay with this, what we are going to do next is to go ahead and click over here that says continue, right? So that is how you can actually invest in this particular platform and earn a whooping 23% per annum. So if you enjoyed this video, if this was so informative, go ahead and click the like button of this video in appreciation of the value you got in today's video. And if you're here to join this beautiful family, I really don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and smash that subscription button and turn on the bell notification. So this is what I have for us in today's video, guys. Cheers. Hey there, I'm glad you stick to the end of this video, and I really appreciate this. Simply means that you really want to change your finance, and you know what, I am rooting for you. Now click the link in the video description or the one in the comment section to get registered in this platform, and after the registration I will definitely see you on the other one. Keep winning, and always know that Leo is rooting for you. And until when I'm going to see you on next video, bye comrade.